Hello friends, I am Pramod. Hope all of you are fine. Today we will discuss about the Cauchy's differential equation or homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So what do you mean by Cauchy's differential equation? Okay. In the last lecture we studied the Legendre differential equation. So the Legendre differential equation is in the form of a0x plus b ka whole cube dqy by dx cube plus a1x plus b ka whole square d square by dx square plus a2x plus b dy by dx and a3y equal to f of x. So this type of differential equation is known as the Legendre differential equation. But what do you mean by Cauchy's differential equation? Cauchy's differential equation, or it is called as the homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So put a equal to 1 and b equal to 0 in Legendre differential equation. In Legendre's differential equation. This is equation number 1. A Legendre differential equation, or in equation number 1. Then we will get put a equal to 1 and b equal to 0. ये a equal to 1 मतलब x ही आएगा, b equal to 0 मतलब ये हमारा को टर्म 0 हो जाएगा. So this is a0 x cube dqy by dx cube a1 ये equal to 1 है. So this is a1 x square d square y by dx square plus a2 x b equal to 0 and a equal to 1. a equal to 1 मतलब x ही आएगा, b equal to 0 हो गया. This is dy by dx plus a3y equals to f of x. मतलब इधर हमारा x cube d cube x square d square x dy मतलब it is in the form of the power of x and the order it will be same. So this is known as the homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Sometimes in the differential equation it will be x raised to 4 dq. तो इधर x raised to 4 होगा तो you will divide whole x both side so that it will come in the form of homogeneous differential equation. So if the differential equation is in the form of homogeneous, so that homogeneous or Cauchy differential equation you will convert in the form of a linear differential equation. To convert linear differential equation, put x equals to e raised to z. जैसे हमारा Legendre's में ax plus b equals to e raised to z था, इधर हमारा सिर्फ x ही है तो हमको x dy by dx में रिप्लेस करने का, x square d square y by d square रिप्लेस करने का एंड x cube dq y by dx cube को रिप्लेस करने का. तो इधर पुट x equal to e raised to z, टेकिंग logarithm both side, take log both side. So this is log of x equals to log of e raised to z equals to z. That means z equals to log of x. Okay. So you will find the value of dy by dx. So this is dy by dx equals to dy by dz into dz by dx. Okay. So dz cancel, you will get the dy by dx. So now you will find the value of dz by dx, z differentiated with respect to x. So this is dy by dz equals to the differentiate z with respect to x, that is the derivative of log x 1 upon x. Okay. So that is x you bring in the left side. So this is x dy by dx equals to dy by dz. इधर हमारा d by dx equal to capital D था, but here x is converted in the form of z. मतलब d by dz equals to now capital D. So this is dy. So similarly x square d square y by dx square. Similarly x square d square y by d square y by dx square मतलब इधर हमारा a की टर्म था, इधर हमारा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर है dy, इधर हमारा सेकेंड ऑर्डर है d इंटू d माइनस 1 इंटू y. x क्यूब d क्यू y बाय dx क्यूब मतलब d इंटू d माइनस 1 d minus 2 into y and so on. Okay. So in this way you will replace this by this, this by this and this by this, so that the Cauchy's differential equation, it will convert in the form of a linear differential equation, and after the conversion of LDE, and you will find the CF and PI. Now we will solve the problems based upon the Cauchy's differential, that is the homogeneous differential equation. So this is x square and this is d square. This is x and this is d. Matlab it is known as the homogeneous differential equation. So how we will solve the homogeneous differential equation? So here you will put x equals to e raised to z. In case of legendary, you will put x plus b equals to e raised to z. Okay. So put x equal to e raised to z, taking logarithm both sides. So this is log of x equals to log of e raised to z, that is z. So z equals to log of x. Okay, and this is what? X square. So x square d square y by dx square दो है, तो d into d minus 1 into y second order है. Similarly x dy by dx मतलब only dy. Okay, so put this one, because this is the formula in case of Cauchy differential equation. So replace this by this and this by this, then it will convert in the form of linear differential equation. So this is d into d minus 1 into y minus 3 into dy plus 5y equals to x square. So what is the value of x square? X equal to e raised to z, x square equal to e raised to 2z into sine of log x. What is the value of log x? Log x equals to z, e raised to 2z sine z. So this is d square minus d minus 3d plus 5 into y equals to e raised to 2z sine z. So this is d square minus 4d plus 5 into y equals to e raised to 2z sine z. Okay, so now it is converted in the form of linear differential equation, which is linear differential equation. Now you will find CF and PI. So this is auxiliary equation, f of d equals to 0, d square minus 4d plus 5 equals to 0. Factorization करो, factorization minus 5d plus d minus 5d square नहीं आ रहे, तो मतलब you will use the quadratic equation. So this is a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, c equals to 5. So d equals to minus b, d equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Okay, minus b, minus minus plus, minus b, b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is 4 plus or minus 5 4 ja 20, 16 minus 20, 16 minus 20, this is minus 4, so minus 4 upon 2. So this is 4 plus or minus 2y upon 2. Okay, because minus 1 का root I and 4 का root 2, तो 2 common कर cancel करो. So this is 2 plus or minus I. So this is alpha plus or minus I beta. Alpha equals to 2 and beta equals to 1. So what is CF? CF equals to e raised to alpha x नहीं इधर, because it is converted x in the form of z. मतलब इधर हमारा solution z में आएगा, तो e raised to alpha z c1 cos z plus c2 sin z. This is the value of CF. Now you will find the value of PI. So PI equals to 1 upon f of d into f of z. So this is 1 upon f of d. So d square minus 4d plus 5, d square minus 4d plus 5 into f of z, e raised to 2z into sin z. Okay. So now you will find the value of PI. But either x equals to, so this one we need at last to convert. Okay, so this one we will clean, that is to x equals to e raised to z and z equals to log s. So this one you need at last to convert in the form of x. Okay, so this is PI. So that is PI equals to 1 upon f of d e raised to ax b. Type 4. Use type 4. What is type 4? Type 4 equals to 1 upon f of d e raised to x. So e raised to x into v. E raised to x will go to the left side. D will be d plus a into v. So this one I told in case of type 4. So this is e raised to 2z will go to the left side. 1 upon d will be d plus a. So this is d plus 2 ka whole square minus 4 into d plus 2 plus 5 into sin z. So this is e raised to 2z 1 upon a square plus 4 plus 4d minus 4d minus 8 plus 5 into sin z. Plus 4d minus 4d, it is cancelled. So this is e raised to 2z d square plus 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 8 plus 1 into sin z. The sign of x. Type second. A sign of az. A equals to 1. Replace d square equals to minus a square. तो मतलब minus 1. A equals to 1 है. तो d square equals to minus 1. तो minus 1 plus 1 0. You can't put e raised to z. You can't able to put because हमारा 0 आ रहा है. It is not applicable. So z upon 2d into sin z. So this is e raised to 2z z by 2 1 upon d. 1 upon d मतलब integration. The derivative of d मतलब derivative. 1 upon d मतलब integration. So sin of z का integration. So this is minus of cos of z. So this is y equals to cf plus pi. So this what is cf? Cf equals to e raised to 2z c1 cos z plus c2 sin z and minus z e raised to 2z cos of z upon 2. Okay. So now you will convert because it came in the form of z. At last you will convert in the form of x. So that is y equals to e raised to 2z. X equal to e raised to z. So e raised to 2, that is what? X square into that is c1 cos of log x plus c2 sin of log x minus z log x e raised to x square cos of z cos of log x upon 2. Okay. So in this way you will solve the various types of problem based upon the Cauchy's homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now you will solve the next problem, that is x cube d square y by dx square. Okay. So this is here x cube is there, but either d square is there. So here you will convert in the form of homogeneous. I told the starting of the lecture in case of Cauchy's homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So here you will convert in the form homogeneous. So divide by x. Divide by x both side. So this is x square d square y by dx square plus 3x dy by dx plus y equals to 1 upon x and sin of log of x. Now it is the homogeneous differential equation. So now you will put the formulas. Okay. So that is put x equals to e raised to z, taking logarithm both sides, log of x equals to log of e raised to z equals to z. So this is z equals to log of x. Okay. Now what is the formula of this one? So this is d into d minus 1 into y, order is 2, दो term आएगा, plus 3 into dy plus y equals to 1 upon x, 1 upon x. So this is x raised to minus 1, this is e raised to minus z, and this is sin of log of x equals to sin of z. Okay. So this is d square minus d plus 3d plus 1 into y equals to e raised to minus z sin of z. So this is d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equals to e raised to minus z sin z. F of d into y equal to f of z, which is linear differential equation. So now we will find out CF and PI. So that is auxiliary equation d square plus 2d plus 1 equals to 0. मतलब d plus 1 का whole square equals to 0. So d equals to minus 1 and minus 1. So what is CF? तो CF equal to C1 plus C2Z. इधर हमारा C2X था, इधर हमारा Z है. And e raised to M1Z, e raised to minus Z. And what is the value of PI? PI equals to 1 upon f of d. This is d plus 1 का whole square, e raised to minus z. This is sin z. Okay? 1 upon f of d, f of z. So f of d equals to d plus 1 का whole square है. So e raised to x into v. Use type 4. Again type 4. So this is e raised to minus z. It will go to outside. And d will be d plus a equal to minus 1. So this is d minus 1 plus 1 का whole square into sin z. A plus or minus 1 cancel हो गया. So this is e raised to minus z 1 upon d square sin of z. Now the double integration of sin z or type second, d square equals to minus a square. So this is d square equals to minus a square equals to minus 1. So this is minus e raised to minus z sin z. So this is our PI. The solution is came in the form of z. So now we will convert in the form of x. So the total solution y equals to CF plus PI. What is CF? CF equals to C1 plus C2z e raised to minus z plus PI minus e raised to minus z sin of z. So this is C1 plus C2z. What is the value of z? Z equals to log x into e raised to minus z. E raised to minus z मतलब x equals to e raised to z है. तो that is e raised to minus z मतलब 1 upon x. And minus e raised to minus z मतलब 1 upon x and sin of z. Sin of log of x. Or you can take the 1 upon x, that is common, c1 plus c2 log x minus sin of log x. So in this way you will solve the various types of problem based upon the Legendre's and the Cauchy's differential equation. Okay, thank you.